Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now this time I am standing on class 2. This is my madrasa. It's the class 2. Now I will introduce one of my student here. His name is Nahidul Islam. Come here. Come. This is Nahidul Islam. What's your name?
My name is Nahidul Islam.
What's your father's name?
My father's name is Johurul Islam.
Your father's name is Johurul Islam. He came here every day from about 5 kilometers madrasa to his house. He is good student and active student. He study at home regularly. He attentively to his study. What's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Nazma Begum.
Nazma Begum is Nahid's mother's name. What is your village name?
My village name is Chakerkuti.
Yeah, Chakerkuti is village name of Nahid Islam. Everybody pray to Nahid Islam. He will be a good scholar of Islam.